Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install T-frontal or frontal wig. I'm going to be showing you the simple installation of this my pixie hair T-frontal. So I begin by dressing my wig because it's not looking so nice. I don't even know how it happens. Maybe some days are like that. I'm going to be doing the dressing first before doing the installation. I thought of sharing this video with you guys for those who don't know how to do installation at all, or maybe you are in a hurry, you want to go out and all you need to do is just put on your frontal wig and go out. So this video is for you. In this video I'm going to be using above spray gel for this. The first time I tried this I was like, wow. So this gel is good like this. I thought of sharing it with you guys, so stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, I'm back to the installation. This is T-frontal. If I had to watch how I ventilate this, I'll leave the link up there or in the description box for you to click and watch. In this video I'm not going to be cutting the skull cap. I'm just going to be doing the installation without cutting the skull cap. I just want you guys to see what the spray gel does when installing. So the popular spray gel that we know is got to be spray gel, but in this tutorial I want you guys to see what this above spray gel does. I'm going to be applying my bond directly on the skull cap, or maybe a line, half line of the skull cap and half line of my cap. So that's what I'm going to be doing. If you have been following my videos, I've done something like this on my channel. I've done the pixie T-frontal installation of this particular wig using the bond without the gel or anything. Guys, it wasn't that nice at all. It did not even last. So this method works for me. It lasts for some days, and we're going to be trying this one out. So apply the bond directly, maybe on your scalp or directly on the skull cap. I'm going to allow it to cool, like dry for some time before any other thing. To me, the bond is already gumming, like it's gumming now. I'm going to be putting on the wig cap directly on the bond. So this is, I'm going to be putting it directly. You can also allow the bond to be a kind of completely transparent or maybe gummy. Now I'm going to be using the spray gel. I'm going to be using it, apply it directly on the edges where I've applied the bond. I'm going to tie it and allow it to stay for some minutes. Okay, it's time to remove the band. Let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's completely glued to my cap. This can last you for days or weeks. It's completely great my scalp. If you also want to achieve flawless installation, maybe you can apply powder directly on this skull cap before doing this. This is how it looks, guys. I'm going to be applying my powder because I missed this step first. So I'm going to be applying it directly now. So it kind of look flawless. Definitely enjoying this look. It's a simple method. This project is very affordable. So this is how it looks like. You can try it out and tell me what you think about this, what you think about this method. Meanwhile, there's this method with this. You can also apply the bond directly or halfway, like halfway your scalp and the skull cap. Apply the bond directly to both of them, or you can just completely apply it on the skull cap. This method I did was applying it on the skull cap. I'm going to be bringing out some edges now. Yeah, this is the look, and I think it looks so nice. All the products that I use in this video is very affordable in the market. You can try it out as a beginner and come back and tell me what you think about this method. This is how everything looks like. Also, applying the bond halfway the skull cap and your scalp can also make the skull cap not to be showing much, but notwithstanding, both of them are still okay. The one that I did was applying it directly on the skull cap. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks. It doesn't pull out, guys. This is it. This is a close-up. It doesn't pull out. So this is it. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.